Have you ever noticed how the real rich don't need to prove anything? They don't flash their watches or scream success. They move like ghosts. No noise, no hype, just silent power. Welcome back to Review Daddy, where we decode billionaire secrets for future billionaires. Today, I'm breaking down 7 stealth wealth strategies used by the rich to build massive fortunes, quietly. These are the money habits that keep millionaires rich long after others go broke trying to look rich. And if you stay till the end, then I have a special bonus gift for you. So, grab your notepad, let's deep dive in.
Strategy 1. Live below the radar. Bernard Arnault, the chairman of LVMH and currently one of the richest men on earth, worth over $190 billion, Forbes 2025, could easily buy a new private jet every week if he wanted to. Instead, Arnault is known for his calculated frugality and razor-sharp investment discipline. He channels his wealth into assets that multiply value, not liabilities that drain it. That's not stinginess, it's strategy. Every dollar he doesn't spend showing off becomes a soldier, deployed into businesses, stocks, and acquisitions that generate more income. This is how the rich stay rich, through compounding, ownership, and delayed gratification. According to the classic wealth study, The Millionaire Next Door, 80% of U.S. millionaires are self-made, and most of them drive modest cars like Toyotas, Hondas, or Fords. Their goal isn't to impress others, it's to progress financially. True wealth isn't about what you wear, it's about what works for you while you sleep. The lesson? Stop buying luxury to look rich. Start buying time, freedom, and leverage. Instead of flaunting money, make it flow into assets that grow and opportunities that multiply. So here's the real question. Are you flexing for the broke or building with the rich? Because the real money move isn't loud, it's invisible. The quiet investor outpaces the noisy spender every single time, not because they have more, but because they use money like a tool, not a trophy.
Strategy 2. Build in silence. You'll never see Aliko Dangote bragging on Instagram, or Larry Page posting daily quotes, and that's not by accident. The world's richest individuals understand that real wealth thrives in silence. Stealth wealth is a strategy. It's not about hiding, it's about protecting. According to WealthX, over 70% of ultra-high net worth individuals, UHNWIs, deliberately maintain a low public profile. They avoid unnecessary exposure, not because they lack confidence, but because privacy protects power, from business negotiations to family safety. Dangote, for instance, is Africa's richest man with a net worth above $15 billion, Forbes 2025, yet his online footprint is minimal. He rarely grants interviews, never flaunts luxury online, and prefers to let Dangote Group's $25 billion operations in cement, sugar, and oil speak for him. Similarly, Larry Page, Google's co-founder, worth over $120 billion, lives largely off the radar. No flashy cars on social media. Instead, he invests quietly in renewable energy and AI startups through his private fund, Planetary Resources. While others chase clout, these individuals chase contracts, equity, and legacy. Their silence isn't shyness, it's strategy. Because real power doesn't seek validation, it seeks results. But how do they pull this off without anyone noticing their fortune? Simple, they camouflage it.
Strategy 3. Master lifestyle camouflage. Ever wonder why billionaires dress so plain? Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Musk. No Gucci belts, no diamond chains, just jeans, hoodies, and gray t-shirts. That's not boredom, it's branding, it's control. Psychology calls it decision fatigue. the mental exhaustion caused by making too many choices. Studies from Cornell University estimate that humans make around 35,000 decisions per day, from what to eat to what to wear. Each small decision drains focus, and billionaires know that attention is their most valuable asset. Mark Zuckerberg once explained that he wears the same outfit daily to free mental space for building. Steve Jobs had his iconic black turtleneck for the same reason, one less distraction in a world of noise. Elon Musk keeps his wardrobe minimal while allocating his mental bandwidth to engineering rockets and scaling Tesla. This isn't just about clothes, it's about mental efficiency. According to Harvard Business Review, simplifying routine decisions increases productivity and cognitive clarity. The rich don't chase validation, they chase optimization. When you stop dressing to impress, your life shifts from performing wealth to producing results. And that's the secret. When your lifestyle doesn't scream money, you can quietly grow it through focus, discipline, and invisible investing.
Now, before we proceed to number 4, here's a bonus gift for staying with me this far. I've created a free Stealth Wealth Checklist, a simple guide that breaks down the exact money habits millionaires use to kill debt and build hidden wealth. You can grab it instantly. The link is waiting for you right below in the description box. Now, back to number 4.
Strategy 4. Invest invisibly. Rich people don't brag about crypto, stocks, or NFTs. They quietly own boring assets that print consistent money. Take Amancio Ortega, founder of Zara. Before Inditex became a trillion-dollar fashion empire, Ortega invested heavily in real estate across Madrid, London, and New York, now worth over $17 billion. He's not chasing hype coins or day trading stocks. He's collecting rent from some of the most valuable properties in Europe. Or consider Aliko Dangote, Africa's richest man, whose $14+ billion fortune comes from cement, construction, and manufacturing, not flashy digital assets. His empire grows from industries that quietly run economies, not from online trends. According to a Fidelity investment study, 88% of millionaires built their wealth through long-term investing, not short-term speculation. These investors focus on compound growth, not quick wins. The world's richest build wealth through diversification, real estate, index funds, private equity, and stable businesses. They understand that boring assets pay the bills, while hype drains pockets. The real trick? Time and discipline. Wealth doesn't whisper, it compounds. Because in the end, money alone doesn't make you rich. Mindset does. True wealth is built quietly, patiently, and intelligently, far from the noise of social media flexing.